Alright, over the next several videos, we're going to show you where you can get your hands on the tools that we're going to be using as we complete the rest of this tutorial. Now, as far as tools are concerned, we really only need three things. We need a web browser, which most of you probably already have in some form or another, but we're going to show you where you can get another one, which will be very important for testing later. We need some application, some program we can use to design, to build our web page as it's going to appear to an internet surfer, someone who's checking your site out on the internet. And we need a program that will allow us to technically create the site itself and get it published onto the web. So the first tool that we are going to show you how to access is Firefox. Now, what is Firefox? Well, more or less, it's just another internet browser. We're going to assume that most of you watching out there already have Microsoft Internet Explorer on your machine already, hopefully version 5 or later. Firefox is another browser by Mozilla. It's a huge internet browser, very, very popular. Most likely the second biggest, or probably the first biggest competitor to Internet Explorer itself. It's going to be very important for testing to make sure that your website works not only on IE but also on Firefox browsers as well. And later on, it's going to have some very important tools that we can access to check out our site, to work all the kinks out of it, really see what's going on under the hood. Now, to build our website, to kind of design it, to control what the site is going to look like, we're going to be using Adobe Photoshop CS2. Now, some of you may already have this on your machines already. If you don't, there's no problem. We're going to show you a couple of videos from now where you can go to get your hands on a free 30-day trial version of the software so that you can go ahead and get started and follow right along with everything that we're doing to create our website. Now, to publish the website, to get it up on the web and get it browsable, we're going to be using Adobe GoLive CS2. There's an S there somewhere. And we're going to show you where you can get your hands on a free trial of that as well. Now, if you already own these softwares and you want to just skip the next couple of videos, that's totally fine, no problem at all. But after we show you all of the tools, we're also going to point you to a series of resources on the web so that you can get your hands on a lot of the things you're going to need as you create websites. Things like imagery, or maybe music, fonts, colors, places where you can look at good web design. Because a lot of us, we're not all artistically inclined. We don't really know maybe what fonts are available. Some of us might not even know what a font is. It's the kind of type that you're looking at. Like, this is a kind of font right here that you're, that. Anyways, so we're also going to take a look at places where you can get certain kinds of imagery, stock photography that you can purchase or download for free. Places where you can look at color schemes, where you can choose your color palette and figure out what colors go with what. What are the complementary colors to various parts of your website? Because, some of us can't match our clothes by ourselves. So we need all the help we can get. So we'll show you where you can get your hands on all of that. So stay tuned, because over the next few videos, we're going to show you where you can find all of this on the web at no cost to you. So thanks a lot.